Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today on this video I am going to share some micro lesson plans of English language. So without any delay, let's start the topic. In first semester of B.Ed, we have to face 8 micro lessons. 4 micro lessons of first method and another 4 of second method. It was my first micro lesson plan of probing questions, subject English and standard 7th. My topic was preposition. In all lesson plans, we have to define 2 objectives of lesson. As you can see on the screen, I have written 2 points about Shaikshanik Hetu, means educational objectives. Here first point is about teacher trainee and second point is about students. First point is to develop skill of questioning and second is students will learn about prepositions. Next is Shaikshanik Sadhano, means teaching materials. I have used chalk, duster and board as teaching material. Now it comes most important step of lesson plan and it is presentation. When we enter into the class, we have to greet students. After greeting, we have to introduce our lesson. After basic introduction about topic, I have given meaning of this term preposition and I have asked some questions to students. By asking questions, we have to explain our topic. My second micro lesson plan is about illustration skill, subject English, and topic is opposite words of standard 7th. Objectives are to develop skill of illustration and students will learn about opposite words. And as a teaching material, I have used thread, water bottle, cloth and chocolates. Now comes the heart of our lesson plan and it is presentation. We have to greet students, then I have given meaning of opposite words and by all the teaching materials I have explained my topic. That's all. My third skill of micro lesson was Kappa Karya, means blackboard work. And my topic was WH questions of standard 8. Objectives are to develop skill of board work and students will learn about WH questions. Teaching material was blackboard, chalk and duster. In blackboard work, we don't have to explain our lesson or topic. We just have to write it on board with neat and clean writings. Fourth and last skill of micro lesson is Vishayabhimukh Kaushalya, means introduction skill. My topic was the Ganga of standard 7th. Objectives are to develop skill of introduction and students will learn about Ganga river. Here I used water bottle as teaching material or TLM. In introduction skill, I greet the students, then I ask some questions to them. In introduction skill, we can introduce our topic by asking questions, illustrations, showing video or audio, showing pictures or whatever we want. After introducing the lesson or topic, teacher trainee have to declare the topic and write it on the board. So that's all for today. If you found it helpful, then do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.